All right, I'm going to show you two super easy ways to write on a PDF file and then turn them into Google Classroom or Google Shared Drives. So first thing we do is we have our assignment. We're going to go and click on PDF. We'll click on our rhythm exercises 16, number 2. The easiest way to do this is just go and click on it again. Then you have just the image. We're going to screenshot it. Pretty straightforward. You're going to hold down on the home button and the on-off button at the same time. Press both of them simultaneously. And there it is. Go and click on that image that you just created. And now you automatically have a lot of drawing options, different colors. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on the black pen there, choose the thickness. And then we'll go ahead and use 2 fingers to pinch or enlarge or minimize so we can get a little closer in. For the detailed rhythms, we could put our name in here and do some of these rhythms, right? 1, E, and etc. Once you're done with that rhythm worksheet, or the other one is a composition worksheet, we're going to hit the share icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's a square with the arrow going vertical. Once we're done with that, that's going to allow us to share that straight into Google Classroom. So if you're turning into Google Classroom, go ahead and click on Classroom, and then you'd have your option to turn it into whichever project or assignment. Or you can hit share. If you're turning it into shared drives, you'd go to Drive. In iPad, you're going to make sure that you go ahead and download these apps first and sign in. Let me say that again. Make sure you download Drive and download Google Classroom and sign in with your LMSVSD.net sign in for all of our school accounts. Get in there first and then go through, finish it, and then go and share it. Again, if you're doing Drive, click on the Drive option, pick out which account you're using. You're going to need to rename the account or the screenshot. It's going to be a PNG, so we'll just say rhythm. Obviously, if we really turn this in, we put our last name, first name, and assignment name. But just for sake of this, you're going to need to go to select folder at the very bottom. And then this would be into our shared drives. And then you choose which class you're in. We'll just say we're in, again, House Band B. And then whatever this project would be, Band Lab, we turn it there. And then at the bottom, it would say save here. So we'd click save there. So that is one option. That's the screenshot option. Okay. So going back to it, when you're done, just to be on the safe side, go and save it to your photos. Click done, save to photos. The second quick option is to click on the image again. You see the open in a separate tab icon. This is also a square with an arrow, but it's going to the right upper diagonal. So go and click on the open separate tabs icon, upper right-hand corner. Looks like this is going to go and automatically open this up in Drive. You see the 3 dots icon in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to make sure your link sharing is on. You can see mine is green. I've already turned that on. Link sharing is on. It's the first, second, third, fourth option down on this list. Mine is on, so I'm not going to mess with that. If yours is off, make sure you select it on. Next thing, we're going to go to the 4-way arrows, which says Open In. Go and click on Open In. And again, we have these same options. You have Classroom or Drive. But we haven't drawn on this one yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this one to Files. Files is basically like Drive. It's just a place where we can save stuff and we can write on it. So that's another great option if you have a different type of assignment or requirements or something else that we can't do with the screenshot option. So we're going to go Save to Files. I would suggest going not the cloud, but I'd just say on my iPad. You have the option with the little plus with the folder icon to make a new folder if you want to, or you could just say on my iPad and look under Recents. It's called Rhythm Exercises number 2. You'll need to rename that later. We'll click Save. Okay, we don't see any magic happening, but we know that it's saved in there. We'll go out of there, press on the Home button, and there's our files, the blue Files folder. Go and click on that on our desktop. We don't need to download this one from our school app portal. It's just automatic. I believe it's already on here for us. And upper left-hand corner, it says Locations. It may be somewhere else. It may be in one of these other options, but if you just keep clicking left here until you get to Locations, and then you would go ahead and click on my iPad, which is where we saved it. There it is, Rhythm Exercises 16th number 2. Go ahead and click on that and open it, and you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we now have the pen or drawing icon. So now in Files, in the Files folder, we can now draw on it as well. So click on that pen, boom, those same options that we had in the screenshot option pops up. Again, we can click on whatever color we want, and we can draw on it or what have you. And then when we're done with that, we'll go to the Share, the square icon upper right-hand corner with the arrow going vertically. And then again, we have the same options there of Classroom or Drive.